So in today's video, we got an early Yeezy unboxing, plus we have a detailed look at the infamous Yeezy 1050, and it wouldn't be right if we didn't cover all of the latest Yeezy updates. So what's good, guys? JA, if you guys can do me a solid, go ahead and leave a thumbs up here on today's video. You guys have been killing it. Let's keep that momentum going. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So what's up, what's going on, guys? Hope everybody is doing well. Today's video should feature a new instrumental. I've kind of dedicated about like 1 to 2 hours a week just for cooking up new instrumentals for the channel. So your feedback is greatly appreciated. Of course, we had a super crazy busy week when it comes to Yeezy releases. I would love for you guys to share your experiences for these popular releases. For me, I'm not even gonna lie, guys, I came out somewhat lucky this weekend. So for the Monday release of the Yeezy Slide, I managed to actually hit on 2 of the 3 colorways, which is super rare for me. Friday, I actually struck out for both colorways for the Yeezy Foam Runners. And then on Saturday, Confirm blessed me with a W for the re-release of the classic Yeezy 350 V2 Oreo. So this is my experience with the whole thing, guys. Like, I don't even try on Yeezy Supply. It's no point to get up early, trying to log into the site and just to get an L. Like, no love for users on Yeezy Supply. I pretty much just put everything into the Confirmed app. And I think by doing so, it leaves me less disappointed, you know, if I actually take an L on these releases. And I feel like it's just because you're not wasting your time all day on a computer. You're just putting in your raffle entry and calling it a day. If you get a W, you get a W. If you take an L, you know, you just move on and go to the next release. So I got lucky this week. Let me know your experiences for this week's crazy Yeezy releases. And then of course, coming up Monday, we got the Desert Boot returning with the Rock colorway, followed up by Friday, the return of the 700 V3 with a new twist. We got the Yeezy 700 V3 Mono Safflower. Good luck for anybody trying to cop these new upcoming Yeezy releases. So up next, we have some incredible images here of the Yeezy 1050. Man, do these things look great. And these images come to us courtesy of Chase Sees Ghost. So this individual, one thing I could say is he's extremely mysterious. Scrolling through his Instagram account, I'm seeing countless rare, some never before seen Yeezy samples. So I may have to say that he could possibly, potentially have one of the greatest Yeezy collections of all time, leading me to believe that this individual could either potentially be part of Yeezy or be very closely affiliated. So here we have images of the Yeezy 1050, and you know, I'm just lost for words. I just love looking at the various angles of this shoe and just being lost for words, guys. Like, these joints go absolutely crazy. Now, looking through the images, you can clearly see that this is a sample size. But one of the most interesting aspects of it is that for the colorway, based on this sample, it looks like the colorway reads Pantone. So that's interesting. I'm not sure if that's an official colorway name or just a name for the sample, but salute to Chase C Ghost. If you guys would like me to, you know, I would be happy to reach out to this individual and see if we can get some more detailed images of the 1050, because I feel like this is one of those Yeezys that we've just been waiting for. You know, like, the Yeezy community have really been anticipating this release. So I'll see if maybe we can get some more images, possibly maybe even a video. Let me know what you guys think, and I highly encourage you guys to give Chase C Ghost, you know, a follow, because his Instagram account is amazing. And then just another weird thing I see, he posted an image here, and let me know if you guys know what bird this is here, because it seems to be a cryptic message. This bird looks to be a turtle dove. So salute to everybody that made it all the way to the very end of today's video. We're gonna be taking an early look at the upcoming Yeezy 450 Cinder, which according to Yeezy Mafia is this brown pair with the two-tone sole. So let's go ahead and take a look at these joints together, guys. So the 450 made in Germany, as you see here. Oh, wait a second. This is the Cinder pair. So what do you guys think about this? And Yeezy Mafia was wrong again. Unfollow. Sorry. And by the way, guys, Yeezy Detectives, if you could answer a question, who does the mock-up photos for Yeezy Mafia? Because looking at some of these pictures right here, especially this one, like, they're just trash. Like, looks like they made this joint on MS Paint. So Yeezy Detectives, if you guys can tell me who does the mock-up photos for Yeezy Mafia, you know, I would just like to let them know that they should probably, you know, pay a professional, you know, to get the job done. But anyways, here guys, we have the upcoming Yeezy 450 Cinder. Not gonna lie, these joints are dope. So it's like kind of like a grayish, charcoal, brown. You know how it goes with Yeezy colors. They're super difficult to describe. And of course, you know I had to throw the dark slate next to it. So this is a cool release. I do feel like if you have this pair, this may be unnecessary, but if you're one of those people that were looking to get these, but rather than paying resale, this might be a little better of an option for you, but it's cool. It's just like a toned down version, but definitely a great 450 nonetheless. Kind of waiting to see some of the more funky colorways, but these are the 450 Cinders dropping soon. Let me know what you guys think about these joints in the comments below. We're gonna wrap up today's video here. I will have a full detailed review of these coming soon, as well as all of the rest of the Yeezy March releases. So thank you to each and every one of you guys for tuning in. I'm JA. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I'm out, y'all. Huge salute.